In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the whiteboard feature in Zoom, a handy tool for enhancing collaboration during your virtual meetings. Whether you're a teacher, a team leader, or just someone looking to make your Zoom meetups more interactive, the whiteboard feature can be a game changer. Let's dive right in and explore step by step how to access and utilize this feature effectively. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official Zoom website. Once you're there, the next step is to locate and click on the Sign In button. You'll usually find this option in the upper right corner of the page. It's important to have your Zoom account details handy for the next step. Now enter your account credentials to log in. Take a moment to ensure your details are accurate before proceeding to sign in. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Look for the web app option, a convenient way to navigate the Zoom interface online. Once inside the web app, click on the Home button. From here, we'll take you through to the Whiteboard section, which is key to unlocking the creative potential of your Zoom meetings. Click on the Whiteboards tab, giving you access to all your digital whiteboarding needs. To start a fresh whiteboard, click on New Whiteboard. This option allows you to create a new board where you can start brainstorming or teaching. If you're looking for inspiration or need a structured starting point, click on View All Templates. Here you can explore a library of pre-designed templates which might save you some time. Sharing your whiteboard is simple. Click on the Share button to get started. You can share your whiteboard in real time during a Zoom session, making it a collaborative hub for all participants. Once shared, head over to the Meetings tab. In the Meetings section, click on Start and then start this meeting to initiate your Zoom session. With your meeting underway, it's now time to spotlight your whiteboard. Locate and click on the Highlight option, which allows you to emphasize key areas or points as you go. Bring more interactivity by accessing Share Whiteboards options. Within this menu, choose Whiteboards for additional functionalities. You might notice another prompt to Open Board, which ensures that your whiteboard is ready and visible for all participants. As you work through your Zoom meeting or class, remember you can always highlight different elements on your whiteboard. This feature allows you to draw attention to important notes and ideas, enhancing clarity and engagement. And there you have it. Transform your virtual meetings with the dynamic Zoom Whiteboard feature. Enjoy the flexibility and visual enhancement it brings to your sessions. Thank you for joining, and happy Zooming.